coming in at this point. There's a fire which has broken out at a dumping ground. Strong winds have caused fire to grow. Massive fire which has broken out at a dumping ground. Strong winds that have caused the fire to grow. In fact, there's also traffic flow in nearby areas that's been affected. Traffic movement in nearby areas have also been affected. Fire tenders are attempting to control the fire. This is happening in Noida. I'm being joined by my colleague Kritika at this point. Kritika, where in Noida in the Delhi NCR area is this happening? What is the situation right now?
Well, Sneha, the fire is broken out in a dumping ground right in the center of the city. In fact, in Sector 32 is where this dumping ground is located. On your screen, our camera person, Akash, is also giving you the visuals. You can see how flames are still on in this dumping ground. And because today's weather is relatively dry and coupled with high wind speeds, we're experiencing wind speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. And that is why you were able to see how just from even the slightest of flames that are visible on your screens right now, a thick blanket of, in fact, smoke is right now blanketing residential areas in the heart of the city of Noida. We are currently very close to Sector 35. The gates of Sector 35 are all covered in a thick blanket of smog. In fact, on the roads, every vehicle that is passing by on the road near here, the roofs of all of these roads are covered in a thick layer of soot and ash. That is how ferocious this fire was, and it refuses to die down as the wind speed is absolutely beyond control. However, you'll also be able to see how a few fire trucks are also visible on your screens. We've been able to count at least 6 fire trucks. There is also attempts to douse the fire with water. So water tankers have also been called in. But because this is a dumping ground, there's a lot of mixed waste that is present in this dumping ground. And that is why flames are erupting again and again. And the task of completely dousing down the fire is proving to be a challenge to the chief fire officer whom we were speaking to earlier. Over to you, Sneha.
Right, Kritika, one last very quick question. What about the residents in the areas that you're showing, people living in nearby areas? Have they been asked to evacuate? Are they still staying in those areas? Because it's a it's a toxic thick fume.
Well, Sneha, no such information has come in as of yet. The traffic also continues to move in the same road. In fact, this is the road right next to where the dumping ground is. And as you can see, a lot of children are also out right by the side of the dumping ground. In fact, the fire has now become a spectacle for them. And the traffic continues to flow as it does on normal days as well. Every residential, a lot of people have taken to the social media platform X to question, in fact, the decision of having a garbage collection ground right in the middle, right in the heart of the city, because now all of them are experiencing this thick, toxic smoke on their terrace, on their balconies, and are in fact complaining about the hazardous effects of it as well. Of course, some fires cannot be preventable, but the location of this could be a choice, is what a lot of residents have been speaking on X as soon as the fire had erupted. Because remember, the fire broke out around 3:30 is what we were hearing, and this is about 6:30 now. So for the last 3 hours, this entire stretch has been covered, in fact, in a thick haze of smoke that is erupting right from a dumping ground, which is, in fact, fire in mixed waste, which is the most concerning aspect here. Over to you.
Kritika, one more question. This is the peak travel time. Are there any advisories for people who would be possibly in the Noida Expressway, in and around that area? Is this surrounding this area? Is there any advisory issued at this point that people must be mindful of while they're making their way back to Delhi or back to Noida at this point?
Well, Sneha, no such information has been released by the Noida Traffic Police as of now, but we are seeing that a lot of people, out of caution, are keeping their windows closed, specifically as they spot smoke, because that is visible right now from 6 kilometers afar as well. But the traffic movement is quite normal. It was a cause of concern when the fire had broken out around 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. But as of now, the traffic commutes as normal, and even though it is peak hours, so more people are now realizing
Okay.
that the fire has still not been doused out, and that continues to be a cause of concern. But no major announcements have been made by the Noida Traffic Police so far. Over to you.
Kritika, thank you very much for joining us with those details. It's time for a very short break. On the other side, all the news and updates.